If your couple photos feel stiff, awkward, or like you're being held hostage, we have good news. It's not your camera. It's you. Yes, you. Your photos suck. I mean, mistake number one, you're standing side by side like you met at a work conference. One of you is doing something with your hands that absolutely should not be happening, and you're smiling at the camera instead of living in the moment with each other. So let's fix that before 2026 rolls in. Here's our guide to couples photography in 2026 and the poses that we think are gonna go viral. Pose number one, the table. Number two, what did you just say to my son? Number three, classic, hands in pockets. Number four, the lawnmower. Number five, praying for better photos. Number six, tiptoe squat. Number seven, the ottoman. Number eight, the snowmobile. Number nine, the recliner. Number 10, Titanic with a modern twist. And bonus, number 11, two asses pressed together. Round of applause for yourself. You did it. You just upped your 2026 couple photo game. Now with that, go forth and prosper. This 2026 is yours. Until next time, thanks for tuning in to Roaming with Moose.